Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the platform to build a website for your gymnastics center. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, first thing it's going to do is ask you to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to quickly head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, gymnastics center. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our gymnastics center so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. Click on continue and let Marty Sites work its magic and create a website for us. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality, as you can see, and they're all completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of your gymnastics team in action, and you want to make one or two changes to this content that was pre-written. You can do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how simple it is to use. No coding whatsoever, so let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to scroll to the top and I'm going to select the first section. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in my company email address. And I want to make sure, let's move this over here. This box is ticked to display the email address on my Marty Sites website on the top right hand corner. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number. And the great thing about that phone number, it is click to call. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my street address or my physical location of my gymnastics center, as well as my postal code. Save the location. Awesome. So the great thing about that location, the physical address, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Awesome. Let's head over to our social links to update them. Over here, we can update our social media platforms, all of the ones we're active on. The icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to the email address, as well as the bottom over here. So your customers and potential students can give you a follow, see what your center's up to, and get some engagement going. Let's move along. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your gymnastics center, you've recently launched it, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. So our logo has been uploaded. However, if you want to make a few amendments to it, click on this little pencil over here and we can crop it, we can resize it, we can flip it horizontally, zoom in and add some filters. So I'm slightly cropping it so it fits well in that section. I'm now uploading it again because I've made some changes, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on save when it is uploaded. There we go. Look at that. That looks fantastic. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm actually going to go ahead and leave it exactly the way it is. Now with Marty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your gymnastics center. Perhaps this color that was pre-selected doesn't quite go with your branding, the signage. Maybe you got vehicle signage, your logo. Maybe it has a completely different color to this. We can change it. We don't need to know color coding. All we need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for us. So I think I want something that purple is really great. That goes actually really well with my branding, but so is the blue. But I think I might go back to the purple. Let me look at one more page. I actually might. Let me have a look at this one. I think I'm going to go ahead with this one. I'm quite spoiled for choice, as you can see. So I do want to select all of them, but I can change it at a later stage. There's nothing stopping me. Let's move along. Over here, I'm going to head over to update section and head over to update image. Now, over here, you can browse your device and choose one of your awesome images of your gymnastics team in action. Otherwise, you can search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Marty sites will automatically search for gymnastics center, and you can also change the terms to see what works well for you. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one for now. I can change it at a later stage, as I said. And all these images in the library, whoops, let's make sure that's saved. I think I accidentally clicked the button over there. There we go. It's uploaded, and all those images in the library are completely free to use. Now over here, we can change the title and subtitle to suit our business needs. Button doesn't have to say contact us today. Perhaps you just wanted to say get directions. Let's go ahead and choose link. We can link to the lead form at the bottom, another part of our Multi Sites website, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Otherwise, I could link to another website if you perhaps take online bookings or something like that. An action like click to call directions. So I'm going to go ahead and put it as directions. But you can as well upload a PDF file, which is a great option to put all your rates or different rates and packages you offer for your students. You could put it in PDF format. So when they click on that button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Over here, again, pre-written content. Button can link to various places. Go ahead and update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your center came to be, how you got into this industry. Are you a passionate gymnast yourself, gymnastics, a star perhaps? Have you been in the doing gymnastics for a couple years? How did you get into this industry? Go ahead and pop all the details over here. Your students would love to hear your story. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more detail of the different services you offer, or perhaps why you are a better option than your other competitors, why people should choose you as their gymnastics school. Do you perhaps have over 30 years of experience in the industry? Are your coaches background checked and safety certified? Is your training for all ages and all skill levels? Are you home to many gymnastics champions? Go ahead and pop all those details over here. We've now made our way into the last section, that lead form that I previously mentioned. Over here, your customers can easily reach out to you, put in their details, their message, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Mighty dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our website we've just created, amended for our gymnastics center. It really was such a breeze. I'm not very tech savvy, and it really was so simple. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the Mighty Sites free trial, you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So give it a go. Click on the link below this video and give it a go. You've got nothing to lose. Now, if you have a custom domain, click on this button over here, connect your domain, say I already have a domain, and go through the various steps in linking it. Now, if you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. You can also drop us a message, by the way, and we will gladly assist you. Head over to our blog. You'll find a step-by-step guide on linking that domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of blog posts here with valuable information on marketing, so do check it out. If you don't have a domain, click on I want a new domain, as we now have introduced the feature that you can actually purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really exciting stuff. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your gymnastics sensor. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.